Money na water. Eat them like a vegetable. Popping champagne. Spending money no dey tire. Money na water. Money no dey tire.
That's one is okay.
You don't want to use black? Maybe this God you used the last time.
This one, I like it.
You can use that. I to lose your hair now.
Yeah.
I see you that day why they call you. I say, look, I tell you, that your boyfriend like your person, no.
Don't say that.
He come here. Come tell me say in like me and the friend. Now I say no be me and.
It's a lie. Uche, my man, he can never try it. He loves me so much to dream of dating another woman.
I go like give you.
Yes.
There they come. First we drop number. Say if I want anything, make a call her. See her here. They tell you something, you say Uche my mind. Hello?
Sweet baby. How are you?
I know they're fine.
What is it? Did somebody beat you?
No, nobody beat me.
Tell me, whatever it is, I will solve it.
Person just sit down here, they doubt me, he pay me small, but now hungry they catch me. I be say whether you feel cook food, come my shop.
Consider it done. What kind of food would you like to eat?
Like rice and chicken.
I'll be there in an hour. Is that fine?
In an hour? You're there here? Oh yeah, now they wait. Thank you. What can I tell you? I don't tell you what you follow me argue. Sit down, make it. I don't tell you. Now you're here person. He come here, come tell me see me and the friend. I saw my mouth they look at. Long length or short length will cut her.
Spending money no dey tire. 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 Money na water. Eat them like a vegetable. Popping champagne.
Michael, so this is it? Huh?
Charity, what's up now?
Who's this thing?
Excuse me?
Michael, I need answers to my questions. Who the hell is this thing standing beside you?
Are you stupid? The next time you refer to me as a thing, I would rip your head off.
Are you mad? Are you mad? It's not
You should take it easy. Don't kill yourself. Hey! Kill yourself, so.
Are you crazy today, you bitch! Okay, Michael! Get this ghost, stop me!
Don't wound yourself, so.
Stupid!
This money not the finish you. I got too much money to spend on my bed.
Fuck you! I know, right?
Oh, babe, this is very nice.
I know.
Girl,
Yes.
this guy must be fully loaded.
Fully loaded. It's an understatement. He is extremely rich. He has money. A lot of it.
And he's ready to spend it on his
You know. He's willing to do more.
Money na water. Eat them like a vegetable. Popping champagne. Money no dey tire. Spending money no dey tire.
Hey, see who come on.
The only girl that makes me smile.
Uche.
The most beautiful girl.
I better not talk so, you make me shame.
Among the rest, you are the best.
I better not do. Shame when they catch me.
No, you don't have to. I'm good. It's business.
Business, they go well.
Very
they
well,
go well.
Abby, yeah.
You cook the food country through.
What were you thinking? Of course I was going to cook it
You
now.
too good. You too good.
You see, this is why I like you.
I know, say you like me. I know. That time when you tell me, say, you go like friend me. My mind dead there. My mind dead there, but I been dey fear.
Fear waiting.
Because you know, say, Sochi na my customer. I don't want to harm.
Please leave the issue of Sochi. Don't even talk about her. You want to cause bad energy around here. Leave Sochi. Yes, no.
You serious?
Yes, it's you that I like. You're the one that make me happy.
I not do you make me shame.
It's you that I like. Anytime I see you, I just have a picture of heaven.
So this is it. This is it.
No, I don't catch and come up from my shop. Catch up it, guy. Then go outside.
It's not what you're thinking. It's not what you're thinking.
You cheat on me.
Oh, my God.
You break my shop.
Okay, we will meet.
I'll return your cooler after. Cooler come up for here. Go outside, go fight.
Tell me, I'm a smelling girl. After everything. All the knack.
It's not what you heard.
Can I go outside?
Let's go.
No, break my neighbor glass. Let me watch him. Come back for your cooler after.
Oh babe, link me up now. Link me up to guys like this, eh? He's this kind of guy that I need in my life right now.
Easy girl, easy. Calm down. Relax.
Yeah, I mean it too. I mean it. I'm tired of all these chewing gum guys, eh? All they want is just to get down with a lady on the bed. And they don't have 1 naira to spend. Not 1 naira.
Miriam.
Good day, Dad.
Michael, come over here.
Dad, hope there is no problem.
Michael,
Dad?
I received word from the accountant that you took 5 million naira this morning. Is that true?
Yes, of course. I just took this for money, Dad.
Michael, what did you use the money for?
Dad, we all know what money is meant for now. Is it not for spending? Dad, I spent it.
I know you spent the money. What did you spend the money on?
Dad, you know, you love repeating questions, but I've just answered you that I spent the money, that is what money is meant for.
Michael, I just asked you a simple question. Don't get me upset now. Michael, what did you use the money for?
Dad, I used it just for a few items. I mean, just few things.
And these items that you used the money for, don't they have a name?
What is the one voice again?
No, this is not a laughing matter.
But you have to calm down.
So. Which of them are you giving me?
Miriam, calm down. You have not answered my question.
I'm calm when you know it.
Answer my question. You this girl. You have to relax.
Hi girls.
Hello.
Hi.
You won't believe what happened at the plaza some moments ago.
What happened?
Relax, you two like gist. I met 2 ladies fighting dirty over a guy. Are you serious? What is going on? Why are ladies so shameless? Some ladies are really shameless. How can you fight over a guy that you're not even sure? That's too bad.
No, my dear. Girls fight over a guy that has money to spend on them.
My point exactly. And guess who they were fighting over? Who? Your dearest Michael. What?
Dad, the few items I made mention of is just like miscellaneous. There is no particular thing I would say that I spent this money on. The truth is that I spent the money.
Listen, Michael. Michael, you have begun to get me pissed off with the way you spend money. Do you think money just fall from the sky? Listen, if you don't take time, I'm going to take a very drastic measure against you. And that includes willing all my assets and all my properties to the motherless babies.
Dad, Did I hear you well?
Well, you heard me.
Which one is you're going to take a drastic measure against me and even will all your properties to motherless babies when I'm alive, your son?
Michael, I mean every word I say. Do you think money just fall from the sky? Listen, money will evaporate from the hands of someone who doesn't know how to manage it. And this money you think we have, do you think it's going to be flowing and flowing forever? You better be careful. I've warned you.
Okay, Dad. Fine. I will have to apply caution this time, Dad. Yeah, I won't argue with you.
You better do. No nonsense. Will you get out of my presence? This boy will kill me. Spending money. Anyhow. Well, I know what to do. I'm going to curtail him. Nonsense.
Anita, I know you're not sure of what you're saying because my man can never stoop so low to have anything to do with street fighters. It's not possible. Babes, I can swear it's your man that I saw. What baffles me is, instead of separating these girls, he was busy recording them with his phone.
That's bad.
Anita, just shut it. Because you're beginning to piss me off. I am certain the person you saw is not my man. He's not the one. Okay, just change the topic.
Doubting Thomas. I rest my case. Case closed.
Better. Thank you. My man got me this. Michael, my man, he got me all of this. Take a look.
Oh my gosh!
This looks so beautiful. I know.
And quite expensive. You can say that again. That was exactly what I was telling her before you came in.
All of them for me. My baby bought them for me.
Tomorrow is your birthday.
So, where are we going to? Well, I'm yet to make a choice. But wherever we chose, okay, he will take us there. So over to you girls. You guys should decide.
We party hard, baby! Yay!
Shake it, eat them like a vegetable, popping champagne. Money na water. Eat them like a vegetable, popping champagne. Money no dey tire. Spending 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 money no dey tire. Money na water. Eat them like a vegetable, popping champagne. Spending money no dey tire. Money na water. Eat them like a vegetable, popping champagne. Spending money no dey tire. 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 Lavish, you dey eat them like a visual. Lavish, spend them. Visual, spending money no dey tire. 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 No mercy, money no be wahala at all. Chopping money.
Hope everything dey well, sir.
Yeah, everything is okay.
Because we know the quick see you come outside this kind of night.
No, I do it once in a while. Yeah. Yeah, it's okay. You can go back to your post.
Thank you, sir. Good night, sir.
Money yes, na water. Eat them like a vegetable, popping champagne. Spending money no dey tire. Money na water. Eat them like a vegetable, popping champagne. Spending money no dey tire. Spending money no dey tire.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to this beautiful, amazing, gorgeous queen. I celebrate you today, my lady.
Happy birthday, baby girl.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Happy birthday, my love.
You deserve everything good,
Thank you,
baby.
baby.
A queen and more.
Yeah.
I've never seen anyone like you. You're such a gorgeous lady.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate this. To my sisters, my family, God bless you. Thank you. And to you, my man, I pray that the good Lord will continue to bless you.
Amen.
I appreciate everything you did for me.
And to you, baby. You deserve everything gold, baby.
Thank you.
It's your birthday.
Yes!
Just choose anywhere you want today. It's your friends. In fact, name it, I'm going to pay for it. You deserve everything. So we'll go shut down somewhere in town and you have merriment. It's your field. It's her birthday.
I'm here to see Michael, Chief's son.
Wait till I ask you now. Who you be?
My name is Charity.
What you gonna do?
I said I'm here to see Michael.
Okay. He invite you, Abina, you invite yourself.
What kind of stupid question is that?
Is it?
Can you just let me in? I want to see my man.
They cost me. You want to enter here? Go take. Go take this one. Come enter, man.
Michael! Baby! Baby! Listen, if you don't open this door, if I get in there, I'll cut off your tongue and have you chew it. Open this door now! Baby! Open this gate! Michael! Michael! Baby!
Hope it's our region now. Yeah. Yeah, fine.
Let me see what you say.
Yeah, fine.
It's fine, well. Now me with them. By myself.
I know your matter. You don't want to leave
I don't leave her. Look, you they buy for my hand. Now you buy that coin one that first time now. Now you they buy for my hand now.
Emma, they go now.
Hey, make I count out.
I'll go where make you come money finish.
Customer, you do the best.
What for you?
For small thing. I know say you be Jenny, you know cheat me.
Boy, complete now, no fit cheat you.
No, you know go fit. People they cheat.
Make I they go.
People when they cheat, they no go tell you I will cheat you before they will cheat you.
Oh, you do quick, man. They
no best,
go.
my customer.
But I no believe say you go they doubt me.
No, I no fit ever doubt you. Doubt you, care. I'm not even supposed to count this money.
But you they count am.
No need to count am. You no complete. No matter. My customer.
I beg Jare, bye.
I trust you. No be you buy for my hand that last time. I think I no count am. Now you get shocked.
Chief, you sounded so troubled over the phone, and here you are looking so gloomy. What is the problem?
Mr. Sam, what I called you for is better seen than explained.
Chief, what happened?
Well, like I said, it's better seen than explained. Do you care for a drink?
No, I don't.
What about food?
Chief, none of that.
It's okay.
What exactly is the problem, Chief?
Today belongs to the queen of my heart.
Yeah?
The most beautiful and gorgeous lady on this planet Earth.
I know.
Thank you.
Ladies, here we are.
Yeah?
Let's go to the city. In fact, the most nicest place in town.
Uh-huh.
So you can go have some level of enjoyment and fun.
Yeah.
Okay? Look, after that, whatever you desire to take home with you, probably for yourselves and
Wow.
friends,
Wow.
I will do it.
Oh,
and
wow.
probably, give you some alert to your...
It's my
I am going to
day.
celebrate my lady in a special way. She deserves everything good on planet Earth. The most gorgeous queen. Here we go.
know.
My money, now water.
Yes, sir. Money now water.
Say that again.
Money now water.
One more time.
Money now water.
You will drink enough of it today. Let's go. I will paint the city red because of you.
Yes.
Can we just go, please?
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Money na water, eat them like a vegetable, popping champagne. Spending money no dey tire. Money na water, eat them like a vegetable, popping champagne. Spending money no dey tire. 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 Lavish, you dey eat them like a visual, oh boom boom boom. Lavish, spend them. Visual, boom boom boom. Spending money no dey tire. 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 No mercy, money no be one lot. Chopping money, spending the cash. Anywhere you dey, money dey flow.
They really say now no person and they see person. I asked you before, say this say na original. You say na original. No be hair blend be this.
Why you dey shout? Na original.
No, yeah, no time say I dey shout. I know how much I take buy this. Na hair blend. Return my money. I no buy again. I no believe say you like this go fit cheat me. Why you go do me like this now?
Original hair.
I beg, I want my money back.
No, we need the exchange. We need the return for here. Once you buy them and you stroke more for here, now your property.
But I tell you say I want human hair. You give me hair blend. You go give me my money back. Make I dey go. I no fish out.
I no go fit give you your money back. The money now go down enter on that business. I beg, make you no vex. If you reach us now, just put am for water, put oil, make you brush am.
You no go give me my money back.
You
You no go give me. No wahala. You go hear from.
You come.
No wahala.
You too dey vex. You just need with one brush and oil. See am now. If you brush am, if God dey your side, if he brush. Once you brush am now, you go. If he untangle, don't dey tear yourself. Now you tear and carry am come back. Come take am o.
Morning, Chief.
Yeah.
Morning, how are you?
Morning. Please have your seat.
Thank you, sir.
I hope you are here with the bank statement.
Yes, Chief. Here it is, sir.
Mr. Sam,
Chief.
look at this. Take a look at this.
Okay. Chief, what is this?
That is a report of Michael's financial recklessness.
Let me get this right. Are you saying that Michael spent 13.9 million naira within the space of 2 weeks?
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
Why is he not picking his call? At least if he's with another woman, he can just pick up and let me know so I can call him back later. I don't want to lose this guy. He's my only source of income. I can't afford to lose him for any reason. And I will do whatever it takes in my power to get his attention. I need to call him back again. Keep calling.
Chief. An accountant.
Yes, Chief.
You can have it.
Yes, sir.
So you can go back to your office.
Thank you, Chief. Thank you, sir.
Mr. Sam, now you can see what I'm talking about.
Yes, Chief.
What do I do to curtail Michael's financial recklessness?
Chief, I think you can block his account through your financial officers and make him promise that he will not spend above a certain amount on a daily basis.
Yeah, well, that is a good point.
Chief, you can also employ someone like an assistant that will monitor him and monitor his spending on a daily basis.
That's another good point, but where do I get somebody that will monitor him?
Chief, I know a lady that can do this job very well.
A lady?
Yes, Chief. We can even present her like a policewoman, you know, so that she will be able to penetrate him very well.
Present her like a policewoman?
Exactly.
Well, I'm confused here. How do you mean?
See, it's simple, Chief.
Officer, now she business, arrest her.
My name is Peter Sam. I'm a police field.
And you go call police.
Why no call police? I come here tell her say I won't buy original human hair. She carry hair blend give me. I beg arrest her more come off from here.
Original human hair, customer.
No matter why you sell fake hair.
Now original hair, now my customer, she come here, come buy hair. I don't already explain, give and say company policy. We need the exchange, we need the return. As you buy hair, when you pay me money, you not go look what you buy.
Why don't you check the hair before you collect
Now because I trust our officer. I don't do business with her now. Why she go cheat me now?
If you trust me, carry the hair, go house, rub and oil, make you brush and you see say the trust don't go fail.
Officer, arrest this woman, more come off from here, I beg.
Hello, madam, you have already said it. I think you have to go with it and do it properly.
Rub and
Brush it
oil.
and see whether it's going to work.
Yes, just mix oil
See
and water.
person I
rub
carry
am.
come arrest person.
You be good officer. Thank you, officer.
Oh yeah, go oil there, I go come back on carry. Brush and make you oil and make it straight oh.
You too the vest, I go brush am for you.
I bet brush and make you put oil.
Don't you buy that
make it straight oh.
Let me make this hair
make
for
it
you.
straight oh.
Go bone, go straight. My customer.
I bet more they go.
Officer. Officer, thank you, sir. You be good officer. Yes. Something today for this shop. Equity and fairness. Now what you supposed to do? Good police officer. Only say me, I go wear uniform. I no go be the one wey no get uniform. Good officer. Good police officer. Maybe today here, they say morning to night, customer no go come. I go be police officer. Yes.
Ladies, you know, we came out here to have great fun.
Yeah, and this place is so nice. Wow.
So I want you all to order for whatsoever that you want.
Wow. Thank you,
We're
baby.
celebrating the big angel, the amazing, gorgeous queen. The most beautiful girl on planet Earth. The lady deserves the best. Nothing but the best.
Hi.
Welcome.
Good afternoon.
Welcome to the Stoves Villa and Hospitality. What would you like to have today?
Thank you so much. Can I have that?
Anything that they request for, please supply it.
Yeah.
Yes. It's my lady's day. We're
Okay.
celebrating her.
Alright, please give us a second.
Okay.
We'll call you.
Okay, thank you.
The chicken? Yeah, exactly.
Let me see.
Omelette.
Let me see. Okay.
What will you do?
There's no way we'll
No,
give you what
okay,
you don't
let's-
like. Yeah, I know. Okay, you know what? Just anything you're ordering for yourself.
Okay.
I'll
I'll
just
just
say
make you
yes,
double,
yes,
alright.
yes.
Okay, I'll just make it same.
I
for
trust you.
whatsoever.
Irrespective of the amount, I'm telling you.
Exactly.
This,
I'll just do whatever.
Yes,
you want.
this is good. The chicken? Yes, the chicken is fine. Sausage, champagne.
Exactly. You know the one in line. Alright.
Yeah, hello. How are you?
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Yeah. Listen, I want you to freeze all my son's account.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, all of them. I don't want him to be able to withdraw any dime until I say so, until I give permission to.
As you wish, sir. Right away.
Yeah, please, I want you to adhere to my instruction. He cannot take a dime until I give permission.
Sir. Okay, sir.
Good.
Thank you, sir.
I will talk to you later.
Okay, sir.
It's okay.
How are you, Rachel? Not really, but something like that. Rachel, see, you are going to police someone as a police officer in a police uniform. No one is going to shoot you, okay? I have my contact with the police. Good question. But you see, I can't give you details over the phone. I'm coming over to see you, alright? Alright then. Thank you.
Anything anymore because my stomach is
Me too.
I told you guys.
So please, take your money from the swap. Yeah. Apparently, some of these banks and their issues.
I think it's network.
Have you?
Yes, sir.
Wow. My queen.
Thank you so much.
Did you say you don't want some more?
Well, fine, thank you.
I really want you to have more than enough fun. The best queen in the world. Okay. All right.
No, baby, do you want to kill me?
No, I can't kill my danger.
So sorry, sir. It's still not responding. I think the issue is from your bank, sir.
Are you sure this POS device is actually working?
Yes, sir. I used it today. I've been using it for transfer, sir. It's working, sir.
Have you tried your network? Just try.
Are you sure?
How can first different bank, second bank, and another bank the third one?
So sorry, sir.
What's going on? Let me have it. Let me make a transfer for you then.
So comfort yourself. She's here to police and checkmate you. Earlier you realize it better for you. Respect yourself for your own good. You must obey. You must blend it. Cause any formal lose she is ready for you. You must obey. You must obey. You must blend it. Cause any formal lose
Still not opening.
What's going on?
I can't have access to my bank. The app is not opening.
Okay, baby, listen, you have to calm down, okay? There's nothing to worry about.
What is going on?
Relax, babe. It's okay. Why don't you try mine?
Do you have to do this, baby?
It's fine. We'll talk about it later, right?
Hear my opinion.
Of course.
For crying out loud, I'm getting pissed off.
Calm down.
Dad! Dad! Dad, what was the meaning of that? And why would you do that to me?
Son, what are you talking about?
Dad, please, don't pretend as if you don't know what I'm talking about. That you know what I'm talking about.
Listen, I will not have this discussion with you if you will not tell me what wrong I have done.
Okay, you blocked all my accounts and you prevented me from making any form of financial transaction. Dad, why would you do that to me?
Well, yes, I did.
Why?
Well, I've told you that I was going to take drastic measure against your financial recklessness. And let me tell you, this is just the beginning.
And the only way you can do that is by subjecting me to a total embarrassment and humiliation before my friends out there. That I could not even pay something that is below a token, below ₦1 million. I was so embarrassed that you know how I look so stupid before my friends. Why would you do this to me?
Listen, you are going to stay a long time without cash. A very, very long time. Nonsense.
You can't do this to me, Father. Dad, you can't do this to me, please! Dad! Dad!
Honestly, I still do not understand what really happened. Like, all his accounts were frozen. And he was barred from carrying out financial transaction with any of his accounts. Like, I don't understand. Angela, are you sure this is true?
That is what it is.
Does it mean EFCC is after him?
I don't think so.
If not, who could have done that to him? Because it doesn't make sense to me.
I don't know. I have no idea, man. It's still a mystery that I'm here to unravel.
If that continues for a long time, he will be cash-strapped. Baby girl, I guess you understand what that means. Because this is serious.
Don't worry about it. He will sort it out.
He better do.
So make sure all the goods are being packed into the warehouse. Make sure everything is intact. You get back to me.
Good morning.
Oh, okay, manager. I'll get back to you.
Good morning, Dad.
Good morning, Michael. So, how are you today?
Dad, I'm not fine. I'm not.
What happened?
I tried carrying out just some little and minor transactions last night, only for me to find out that I've been deprived access from all my accounts. Dad, why? And this is something I know that only you could have done.
Michael. Yes. And it is going to remain like that for a very long time.
Why?
With the way you were spending money anyhow, I knew I had to do something. I mean, if I leave you to continue spending money in this your spending spree, you are going to bankrupt us. And I won't allow that to happen.
Okay. Agreed. Yeah. So, Dad, can you now please call the banks to unfreeze all my accounts?
Not yet. No.
Why? Dad, why? Why not yet? Why not now?
Michael, we have a very serious discussion about that matter. Please, can you have your seat?
He's not picking up. He's not taking my thoughts.
Angela,
Could it be that this guy is with another lady?
Nita, please stop. Michael is not that kind of person. He's not that kind of man that jumps from one woman to another. He's not like that.
You know, it baffles me how you sound so sure of this guy.
But that's the truth. He's not a cheat. He doesn't cheat on me.
Fine. Has he paid you?
Not yet, but he will. Once I get through him, he'll wire to my account.
He better do. Because I wonder what sort of embarrassment would have faced yesterday at your birthday party.
Anita, can you keep quiet? He will pay me.
I'm just saying. Just relax.
Just keep quiet.
Please.
Sorry.
But Dad, I've already promised to cut down on my spending. And I have given you my word, so why don't you believe me?
Michael, how many times have you promised me that you will cut down on such spending? And you never kept your word. I mean, you continue on your spending spree like nothing bothers you.
Dad, see, this time around I mean it, and I'm very serious about it. I swear on my life it's not going to happen again. Please, just do something about this now.
Well, I'm not going to take another chance with you, Michael.
Okay, Dad, I have agreed. I've accepted. Please, can you now call the banks to unfreeze all my accounts, Dad? Please!
Well, Michael, I'm not going to take chances this time around.
Okay, Dad. Let's go in your direction. So what is going to be the work of the police officer?
Well, she's going to be with you to monitor your spending spree. You know, I mean, whenever you are spending out of line, she calls you to order.
Dad, that simply means invading someone's privacy? Why would you assign a police officer to monitor me?
Well, Michael, that's how it's going to be. I mean, you left me with no choice than to follow that path.
Dad, I have accepted. Yes, I have accepted everything that you've said. So can you now please call the banks to unfreeze all my accounts?
Well, not yet, no. Meanwhile, the police officer will start work tomorrow.
I'll be outside, Dad.
You again. You again. Sir, good afternoon. They greet me.
Sir, please. Don't send me away. It's important that I see Michael.
Come humble. What you want to see him for? Go.
The thing is, Michael, he bought some stuff from me and he has not paid. I've been calling him, but he's not taking my call. And my mother has threatened to send me back to the village if I did not pay the money.
Yeah, fine girl crying. Hey, okay. But if I don't talk and sins now.
I didn't want it to look like I was reporting him to you.
No bless the person wicked. Come enter. And then you enter. Just calm down, yeah? Okay, I'll soon come.
Okay.
Sorry. Fine girl. Sorry.
Hey, Charity. You didn't tell me you were coming.
Babe, I called you countless times, but you won't take your call.
I'm sorry, the phone wasn't closed. Look, I'm sorry about what happened at the boutique the other day.
No, it's fine, baby. Come on. It's in the past. I mean, you are every lady's dream, and I understand that.
Please don't go there. That does not mean I don't have to tender unreserved apologies to you.
Okay, fine. Apologies accepted.
That's why I love you.
I love you too, baby. Babe.
Yeah.
Babe. The money you promised me the other day, you haven't sent it to.
Oh yeah, that's true. Look, it's just that I'm having issues with my account at the moment. By tomorrow or next, they would have resolved it, and definitely I will send it. Okay?
Okay, so that means I should be expecting anytime soon.
Absolutely.
Oh my God!
That's my girl. That's my baby.
Yep. Okay, so let's get inside.
Yeah.
And let me show you some stuff.
Wait. See who said that they won. See who are the pity. If they do love, they go. Kai, you don't use my head. God, I beg you. You'll come here tomorrow. You'll call time if you won't pass. Kai. It is well.
Not be joke. You must obey. You must blend it.
So that, how long will it take them to get here?
Oh, Michael, calm down.
This is exactly what you said 25 minutes ago, that yet they are not here.
Probably they are inside a bad traffic. Calm down. They will be here.
That even at that, people should learn to keep to appointment. It's very important.
Calm down.
As country no come good, no be me cause PA, why you want put my stomach for strike? Allow me to jump, allow me to spend my money. Which can be
Good afternoon, Chief.
Yeah. Good afternoon, my brother.
Sure, sir.
Chief, this is the police woman I told you about. Rachel.
Sir.
This is Chief, your employer.
Good evening, sir.
And his son, Michael.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah. So have you briefed her about the job?
Yes. And she is good to go.
Good to go, sir.
Oh. Well, in that case, let's leave the two of you to acquaint yourself and get to know each other. Let me see you briefly.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Good evening. Good afternoon.
Good evening, good afternoon.
As you see, I stand and talk to you, so you're supposed to respect this my uniform, even if I too small. May you stand to answer my question. I get my job description and I understand them clearly. Make you no go see me finish. I know how to add force to amo. I know why they send me come here. I know be police person don't know in work.
11. Okay.
Stand, you see.
I'm standing.
How much you they spend in a day?
Excuse me? Is that part of your job? Is that your business?
Okay, no ask me like say I don't know what I do. I be you see when your father excuse of make I start my job. They don't tell me what I'm supposed to do and now what I come here can do. If you try to think maybe I know this one you see here na weapon. If I call for backup, anti-graft agency, it go shock you. I tell you, how much you they spend in a day?
Officer, it depends.
That one no answer the question.
I said it depends. Maybe because I don't get to check my debit alert. I don't know how much I spend on daily basis.
Now you be the real doku spender. The destroyer. You don't even know how much you spend in a day. You don't pity your papa?
Hold on. It's abusing me part of your job description?
I don't abuse you. I dey state the obvious. You know how much they spend in a day? You're supposed to know number.
15.
It's okay. You dey hear the machine?
16.
16.
11.
11
12,
million. 12 million.
16 head.
16 naira. Any amount, you go get figure. How much?
16.
Stand easy. Stand easy.
Yeah. The lady looks like she knows her job.
She's a professional, Chief.
Oh, that means my heart will be at rest now.
See, Chief, I'm so glad that you're beginning to see the possibility of cutting down Michael's excess spending.
Yeah, but I just hope that he does not compromise her
No,
along the line.
not Rachel. Rachel is a professional. She knows her job like the back of her palms.
Wow, that means we're in good hands.
Exactly, Chief.
Wonderful. Yeah.
So what do we do after?
Things you don't change, no more reckless spending.
Baby, who is she?
Please, can you just get in? Let's leave here. I will explain later, okay?
No.
Okay.
No, just leave, go anywhere. You need to explain to her so that all man for in steez, all women for in composure. You understand? Everybody go know in work what he's supposed to do. Girlfriend go know in own. Security agency, anti-graft agency, they go know their own too. Tell them.
Who is she?
See, my father employed her just to monitor me and, everything.
You don't talk away. To monitor your movement and your expenses. You buy an iPhone, Marc Jacob bag, shoe, clothes, cream. This government, they against them. They say more monitor the excessive spending. Make government no go collapse.
Babe, I don't understand. Since when did this one start?
Yesterday night they give me my job description. Yesterday for you know.
Are you serious?
But please, can we just go? Let's go have fun. I'm going to talk to you about everything. Please.
No,
Make me understand.
Explain everything.
Where will they go first?
What did she do in your front seat?
Where I go sit down before? If something that happen now, who go give una cover? It's a surprise. If something will happen now, who go give you security cover? You dey look me finish. If I stand easy. You know what I'm saying? How you want to save yourself?
Babe, please, just
She didn't tell me about this.
So where I go there?
I will explain.
Na bullion van, I go there for boots.
I'm going to stand. Please, get in.
Just stand easy.
Please, just get in.
You enter more, go have some fun. Police is your friend. Spy police is your best friend.
I'm definitely going to talk to you about everything later. Believe me. Just let's leave here now.
11. Take 5.
Over and out.
What's the matter with the gate?
Respect yourself. You must obey. You must blend it. Cause any former lose God. He go change if your hand in no come. You must obey.
What are you saying, Soli? Make your motion here. This is so. What is she doing there?
Now what you want to talk now? I don't learn that for your hand. Now here I go stand put. As you see me, I be like grass. I don't get roots under the ground. They move. Now here I'll deal with you.
But please, I don't want you to be distracted. You know we came here to have fun, okay? Don't let anything spoil your happiness. Please, just focus.
It's okay. Just keep quiet. Don't talk to me.
Babe, please go ahead and order for whatsoever you want. Anything. Just make your order, okay? Babe, just relax, okay? The waiters is coming. Just
Don't tell me to relax. Don't tell me to relax.
Good afternoon, ma.
yeah,
Good
sure.
afternoon, sir. I'm here to take you away.
Please, can I get 3 plates of seafood?
Okay, ma.
I'll take 2 out and then
Yes.
I'll eat 1 here.
Yes, ma'am.
Then a bottle of champagne.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Is that what you want?
How much be the bottle of champagne, I beg?
100,000, ma.
That's fine.
Yeah, just go ahead. Whatever she needs, supply it, please.
Thank
Oh,
you, sir.
you're right.
Can
I beg. No this. For every way you don't talk now, you go reach like 180, 1,000. For my calculation.
Yes, ma'am.
Get going.
Okay.
Any problem with that? You okay now?
How you answer what I do? I know they okay. One person is down. One chop 3 plates of fisherman soup. You go carry to go and chop one here. That's whether I do okay.
Is it your money?
Only one woman sit down, one chop 181,000. One bag of rice. If you buy one bag of rice, still buy ingredient where you take cook am. People go chop belle full, they go dey pray for you. That's whether I do okay.
Michael, what's all this embarrassment?
Embarrass means say when you don't embarrass your verse go. If I want to talk too much, I dey come.
Michael, where should we go to?
Please, just understand me. Yeah, please, don't mind her.
This is too much.
Your food is coming.
I am going to do something stupid. Right?
No, don't.
The food is coming. If you balance here now, they speak English. They wait, say 3 plate, they call 3 big meat and fish head. My sister, make I disappoint you. I don't go tell them 5K food. In fact, they bring the eba now one. Mama, it be like fish roll long. Finish, and you take it.
Excuse me, you can't try that. Excuse me.
Michael, did you hear that? Did you hear that?
I don't follow the instruction where they give me. And my job description, and if you look me funny because I no get gun, look say I'm ordinary police, I go surprise you. This new government no go support waste.
I hope you did not go to change the orders. Hope you did not.
Listen, at this point, I cannot take this anymore.
Where are you going?
I cannot take this nonsense anymore. I can't take it. Let go! I cannot take it anymore.
Who is going to
eat with her? What
Babe, please.
Very foolish woman.
Foolish police officer, our police officer, they are not be woman, I be man. You don't go again.
Babe, where are you?
Yeah, you're right. My child. We missed though. I did tell you. That would have been free lunch for us. Hi. Abi, we should dress up and go meet them at the restaurant. What do you think?
Babe, no now. We are not invited. I mean, let them do their thing.
Even though Michael is not complaining. That guy is loaded.
I know. But let's accord them their privacy.
Okay. Hi. Honestly, I keep praying to God to just bless me with a man just like Michael. So that he will take care of me. The way Michael takes care of Angela.
Same here, baby girl.
Oluwa run am for us now.
God abeg o.
Am I a spoon?
Abi we be spoon.
Abeg, me and you is not laughing, abeg. Angela. Don't tell me you didn't buy anything for us from your outing with Michael.
What's the problem? Why the long face?
I am so pissed right now. I'm angry.
It's not like you to come back home angry after hanging out with Michael. What happened?
Michael's father. He assigned a police PA to him. And she follows him everywhere he goes.
But do you have a problem with that?
Of course I do have a problem with that because she interferes in our affairs and I don't like it. It's pissing me off.
How do you mean?
We went out to eat. And I ordered for 3 plates of seafood. 1 for you and 1 for myself. This woman came out from nowhere and said what I ordered was too much. That the money is too much, that I cannot take that.
Is she mad? Is it her money? Or her father's money?
It did not end there. Can you imagine that this woman ordered the waiter to serve me a 5,000 naira plate of food?
Jeez!
Me.
That's an insult to your personality.
You can say that again. Okay, but wait. In all this, what did Michael do?
Nothing. He did absolutely nothing about it. He did nothing.
You don't mean it.
You see why I said I am I'm hungry.
You should be.
I'm hungry. Anita, have you lost it? I just told you what happened and you're a very foolish person. Very stupid.
Just sit down first now. Sit down.
What am I supposed to? Why am I supposed to? Don't you expect me to sit down? I cannot think straight.
I understand. Just calm down. Sit.
Bear, come outside there. Where you they go? You not see me for here?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good night. So you not see me?
I didn't notice you were here.
I'm too small. Where you they go?
I'm here to see my baby Michael.
Your baby Michael no they available. That's why they for you. We don't go like 60 years. No baby for you. Now only one man and his papa. You understand? And even the son don't they go like 70 years. So your baby no dey here. This new government is allergic to lavish spending.
I don't understand. What are you talking about?
You say baby, no because money they collect for your hand. Make me vex. Now let me radio other anti-graft agencies to come support me for you. If not, you go regret them. You see how they follow you, they play. I say, you know, if you enter inside, go see any baby. Nobody there won't buy you human hair. You see, grow up man like that. Waiting for in father house. All in teeth don't strong. You don't pass 32 teeth when you don't grow. You they call him baby because of say you won't collect money. You see, I know it's not because of money. Ooh. If you don't come up for you now, if I arrest you, let me they post me comment. If I arrest you, if I close my eye, open my hand, I see you, I go arrest you. I go arrest you. Grown up person like that, we don't grow. All in teeth don't strong. Follow all those plenty girls wearing lavish money on top. They pack money, they give all of now. When I come here now, when I go, they rub that in the hair. Baby. Before you go here with you at the top now. Maybe they just carry come. I can't leave my own job.
So, how is it going with her?
Dad, she's overreaching her boundaries and I'm not okay with it.
How do you mean?
She wants to virtually know everything that I do, Dad.
But that's part of her job.
Dad, look, I called for this meeting just to let you know that I'll be fine without her.
So what are you suggesting?
Sack her. And I promise you that I'm going to be of good behavior, Dad.
Oh, come on. We cannot go back to that level of argument again. See, she has come to stay. What I would advise is that you should start getting acquainted with her.
Dad.
See, I don't have time for this level of argument with you again. Just get used to her.
You must obey. You must blend it. Cause any formal lose God. Be ever change. She is ready for you. You must obey. You must obey. You must blend it. Cause any formal lose God. Be ever change for you. Respect yourself. You must obey. You must blend it. Cause any formal lose God. Be ever change. If you end the no correct, you must obey. Lose my boss. You must blend it. Cause any formal lose God. Be ever change for you. You must
Don't let person rest for this out. No. I'm apart from the
respect yourself.
You will live long.
Officer, good morning.
Good morning, no. I just think and I say any day I see you, me and you will get discussion. Not being those who can't enter so.
Okay, I'm here now.
Hey, as you did a nod, the nod. This one a security discussion. You will excuse us.
I'll go.
No, what's that for our lap?
What do you want to discuss? I'm here now.
We'll be fine. Hi, see as you find today. You'd always look expensive. You too cost.
Of course.
And they come they ask me, say, what do you do for a living? What do you do for a living, sir?
Well, I spend money for a living. Yes. I just sit back there and relax. And my boyfriend do the shopping, do the spending.
Me, I be police officer, you be money spender. Hey. As you stand now, everything will be in like how much? I just want to know because you too they look costs. You too look costs.
Well, everything I'm wearing, inclusive my jewelry, my gold. Let's say 6 million above.
What you just wear now?
Yes.
You cost so. Hey, you too cost.
I know. And my hair.
Your hair too follow.
Yes, I have like 30 hairs. None of them is less than 550,000.
550,000 naira? Follow your hair. You wait till they come now, yeah? You wait till they come. When they you they come.
My officer.
May stand put for you, they come.
May follow you, may deal with me.
So I put on top of my head.
I believe your government. Everything your change.
As country no come good, not be me cause PA, why you want put my stomach? walk for strike. Allow me to jump, allow me to spend my money. Which can be you be? You be police, I be na PA, you be. Now you said you must obey, you must obey, you must blend it. Cause any former lose she is ready for you. You must obey.
Give me your phone.
Why? Why should I give you my phone?
I need to check something.
What do you want to check?
Oh God. All these questions where you ask, they limit me from my job. They restrict me. And civilian no go fit, they restrict officer of the law, whether na spy or real police. Civilian no go fit. Give me. You don't know who I be for your life? Why you know give me? When the thing get a password. 62, now you dey hide. Do your face where you get face recognition again. Now your message now first go straight because as trained officer and I didn't have know what you're supposed to know. What?
What? I take exception to this. My phone, it's my privacy. You're not supposed to check it the way you did.
Why not go check your phone? So you just know person and you don't give her 25 million naira. Money go feed 2 local government and everybody go to pray for you. Now you carry give one person.
Oh, please spare me the statistics of yours. I'm not interested in it.
Why you go there interested? When I your pa money? Now your pa na anybody they pay. No be you. Because no be you work for the money.
Am I complaining?
Why you go complain? I say no be your money. Now I don't talk none be that. No. Work what sabi. Now me they post me come here. Promotion on they come now because of say I sabi what they do. No. It dey very bad. Huh? You don't even pity your papa.
Okay, I'm sorry. It's okay.
He said it's okay. After the money don't go.
Power on. 7. 14.
Ma, just leave you. If not, if I radio assistance, you no go there funny at all.
12, 14.
Stand easy.
16 head.
It's okay.
3.
Waiting! Where you dey go?
What is it?
Gonna take permission from the officer before I let you enter inside house.
Meaning?
Now the new law says they employ the officer.
Well, I'm Michael's fiancé.
Your problem?
That nonsense law will not work with me.
Okay. Madam, respect yourself. Madam, respect yourself. But wait, you want me to sack me? If they sack me, you'll give me work. Madam, don't respect. I take God to beg you. I beg you away.
What is going on here?
Everything. I beg you, not come pour and for my gari at all. I go beg you. Just wait. Sure. Sorry, no verse. Just wait.
So can you just explain to me? Just talk to me.
I wish I can. But I can't.
Why?
Are you really asking me that? Is it not obvious? What is she doing there? Tell her to move far.
My work now they do for you. In Papa they give me job description and the job I they do. Not disturb my work, so I don't disturb your own.
What job are you doing that we cannot have our own privacy anymore?
Privacy. Ooh. You want privacy. Then if you drink all the old wine, drink the bottle the way you do that day. You swallow everything, chew the bottle join, and they come out here. As them here, then I be like plants. My roots don't begin to enter under the ground, and they move.
I can't take this anymore. No, my friend.
If you never take, I make you they go now. If you never take, I make you they go. Not be you employ me, not be you employ me, so you not fit sack me. I be like Mount Zion for you, and they move.
You can imagine. Are you listening to her?
requested to see me. Yes. I want you to pass this message to your lousy friend.
Charity, if we must have this discussion, then you should learn to speak in decorum. I won't have you talk about any of my friends in this den.
Decorum my foot.
I can see you have nothing to say to me.
Tell your friend to stay away from my man, Michael. Listen, she's making him lose interest in me. And I will not take that lightly on her. So you better warn her. Else.
I can see you have nothing to say, obviously. Well, did she just walk up?
But please, can you just pretend as if she does not exist? Pretend as if you're not even seeing her, and let's just talk. Talk to me.
Yes, you're right. That's exactly what I will do right now because she does not even exist.
Papa and I know exist. You know, I never insult you since. I beg, no insult me. Because what with the employment can do now, they do now. No insult me, I beg. I be security agency, they respect us. Now, Papa and I know exist. They say this thing. So that they say I'll protect her. Because I mean, you are the protector. I be security agency, and if you stress me now, man, no begin the radio order anti-graft agency, may they come support me here. You go shock you. Because if I do one, Roger, over and out. No stress me, oh. No talk am again.
There is this boutique. It's a new boutique in town. They sell very nice clothes. Baby, I want to shop for new clothes. My clothes are worn out.
You lie. Ooh. Go wash them. If your clothes don't dirty, go wash them. If you don't worn out, maybe you go swan. Now be you they buy clothes for that day. Since when you pick 25 million. 25 million, we go reach 5 local government. Maybe they buy clothes for everybody. They go dress, go where everybody go look rich. Only you take and buy something. If your clothes dirty, go wash them. You didn't buy anything for you.
Mecca, do you tell everything you do for me?
Babe, I have never done such a thing before.
So what is she saying? How did she get to know about that?
It's complicated. Honestly, I have no knowledge of
And that's why you're supposed to be afraid of anti-graft agencies like me.
Hey, where are you going? Where are you? Police officer, why are you causing me embarrassment? Why?
They grow like plants. Roots don't come out.
Hold on, don't
go. So how is the going with Michael?
Everything they go well, sir. He's going perfectly well, sir. Yes, sir.
So tell me everything about it.
Before, they spend like 2 million or more every week. But now we don't cut them down to like 350. Wow. They try. I press in Adam Apple. I don't agree. And if you want to cut them down to 5K, and 5K you spend every week, I go just sit down on top in Adam Apple.
Wow.
Yes, sir.
How did you get to do it?
I'm a professional, sir. I press the neck. I no allow him.
That's wonderful.
Yes, sir.
That's wonderful.
Yes, sir.
Continue doing the good job.
Yes, sir.
You are really doing a good job.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
It's okay.
Yes.
Good morning.
It's good afternoon.
Which station are you from?
Any station.
Both of you, get down from the car now!
Why? Don't ask why. Come down.
Quickly!
What's your number?
Any number you give me, sir. Any number is my number.
Where's your ID card?
I don't have ID card, sir.
This is an imposter. You are an imposter.
No, sir.
Now, officer, handcuff her. Quickly! If you move, I will shoot you. Handcuff her.
Officer, what's going on?
How?
Yes,
Why? You are an imposter.
No, sir, I'm a security.
You are an imposter. Officer, handcuff her.
Officer, she said she's your colleague and you're saying her.
They don't know yet. They don't know yet.
Sorry, man.
I'm your colleague, officer, please.
Officer, what's going on?
I'm your colleague. You might not know it yet, but I am your colleague.
Officer, what's going on?
They are my colleagues, but you don't know it yet. I'm just a security personnel.
Anywhere you there, money they flow. Any party you there, people they enjoy.
Michael, you look so tensed.
Dad, Rachel has just been arrested by the real police officers out there.
What? When?
Wait a minute, Dad. Does that mean that Rachel is not a real police officer?
Yes, listen. It's kind of complicated.
Dad, how do you mean?
There's the way these things are done. You can't understand.
For crying out loud, who is she? Who is Rachel, Dad?
Hello, Chief.
Yeah, my brother. So how are you doing?
Fine, my double chief.
That's good to hear. Well, on a quick one, there is a situation on ground.
What could that be, Chief?
Yeah, Rachel has been arrested by the police.
What? When?
About 30 minutes ago.
Okay, no problem, Chief. I will call the deputy police officer in charge of this area and have her released immediately.
It's okay. Thank you very much. So I'll be waiting for her release. I'll be waiting for her at home.
Okay, there's nothing to worry about, Chief.
It's okay.
Okay, thank you, sir. All right, Chief.
Michael. Michael.
Dad?
Come over here. I want you to go and pick Rachel at the police station.
What? No, Dad. I don't want to have any business getting close to any police station, please.
She is not inside the police station. She's somewhere by the road.
So where exactly is she? Where is she?
See, when you call her, it's not that you can go and pick her up.
Okay.
So, you have to go right now because she's already waiting for you.
Okay, Dad.
Yeah. So,
let me pick up the car key.
That's fine. Well.
Are you alone now? Yes. I want to have a word with you. Michael, listen, I want to get something clear here. Michael, do you know that the presence of that woman is causing problems to this relationship? She has to leave as soon as possible. She needs to go. All right, my love. I love you.
Everybody there for striking, only be here they walk. Got your clothes according to your size, Ijulaju.
Welcome, sir.
Yeah.
Welcome,
You
sir.
are welcome back.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So, did they hurt you?
Small. As the first pull me, he first claimed me for ground. Yes, the other one asked me why I wear that uniform. He just carry a hand come, no sir, to slap me. Yes. He slapped me one time. They can't jack me from the trouser like this. Carry me go to the station. Yes,
that
sir.
means you were not really stressed or hand.
Small, sir.
Small.
Yes, sir.
Well, it's okay. So you are still going to continue with your job, right?
Yes, sir, but they don't collect the uniform from my hand. They seize them.
No problem.
Yes, sir.
Just get on with the job.
Yes, thank you, sir.
You are doing a good job.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
And then you hear me thank the DPO.
Okay.
The DPO, and I ain't called them. Yes, the DPO. The yellow one. So they fling it up.
It's okay.
No, sir,
It's okay.
Listen.
Yeah, I understand. I get you.
DPO, nice one.
Yeah.
The hand don't reach me here already. DPO just shout, no. See me there.
It's okay. It's okay.
Yes, sir.
You can go.
Okay, sir.
It's okay.
Yes.
Yeah, you can go.
Okay.
It's okay. This lady is much. Well, but she's doing a good job. It's all good.
Angela. You don't look bright. What is the matter?
Anita.
That useless woman is trying to ruin my relationship with Michael. Who? The foolish police officer I told you. The one that is attached to Michael. Yes, she's the one. I mean, who else?
And I was about asking, how have you been coping with Michael and her always around you guys?
It hasn't been easy. I mean, she interferes in every of our conversations.
What?
Yes. That means you guys don't keep secrets anymore. That's exactly what my problem is. We don't. She follows us everywhere.
Babe, you have to do something about this. And fast.
Certainly. I will do something about it. Because I've had enough. This is not good. It's crazy.
It's okay. Just show up.
You'll be fine.
You must have you must believe. Nothing any from a shy guy. PA go change up for you. PA, you must have you must believe. Cause any from a loose guy. PA go change up for you. Respect yourself. You must have you must believe. Any from a loose guy. PA go change up for you. You must have you must believe. Nothing any from a shy guy. PA go change up for you. PA, you must have you must believe. Cause any from a
How we go now?
PA go change up for you. Respect yourself. You must have you must believe. Cause any from
I never knew you were this beautiful.
Sir?
I'm admiring God's creation on you. You're so endowed.
See this road where you want pass now? I beg, no pass on.
So you've been hiding all this under the police uniform?
You know your tell us say no. This road where you say you want pass now. Now no go area, no pass on. Can we go?
Okay. We'll see to that. Let's go.
They're back now.
Don't forget you're supposed to be the police officer. Let's go.
Now for back police officer they stay. They're back now.
Mr. Sam, I want to specially thank you for the great advice you gave to me. I mean, on the best way to cut down Michael's spending and recklessness.
Are you saying that Michael has stopped lavishing money?
Yes, of course.
Come on.
Yeah.
Rachel is a core professional. I had no doubt that she's going to cut down his excesses.
And I owe you one for that.
Come on, Chief. What are friends for?
Yeah.
If not to be there for each other in the times of need.
My friend, I really appreciate you.
Anytime, Chief. You're
Thank
welcome.
You. Yeah, thank you. Why not? Now, no business.
Michael, now that you have discovered that she's fake, can you fire her?
I'm not in the position to.
What do you mean by that?
My father employed her, not me.
You can call the shots, Michael. This has nothing to do with your father.
You don't understand, do you?
I do. I understand everything. I see you're having an affair with her. I mean, and you've got nice cuffs. So it's possible.
Far from it. There is no such thing.
I want to go home.
Babe, you have to calm down, okay? Look,
I wish I can, but I can't. I cannot calm down. I'm out of here.
Babe, you don't have to do this. Babe! What happened like that? Please, can you just stop? Let's talk it over, please. Babe, hold on now, please. Just calm down. Let's find a way around it, okay? Please! Don't go! Babe, you just wait! If you mean well for me, you don't have to walk away this way. Can we just talk it over?
There is nothing to talk about. Goodness, this woman is driving me crazy. Must you follow us everywhere?
My job I dey do. I get my job description. Now they follow.
Listen, at this point, your services are not needed. So go!
Who you ask for mouth? Now you employ me. You know if you sack me. I must provide security cover. I must provide cover for una. If I'm robber come here now, what will I go do? Eh? They shout, they disturb the whole neighborhood.
Did you hear that? I'm shouting.
No lie for Amoga, tell her. She dey shout, abi she no dey shout.
Can we just go to a quiet place and talk this over? Please.
Okay, we will go, but she will not come with us.
That's waiting. You know if you talk like that, I must provide security cover. You dey sue me finish because I no hold gun. If anything happen for you, you know need security agency will go oversee am.
I do not need your security.
See this one?
Thank you.
What you go send me and you? If you like flying test I got her, see the person who they protect here. See who they send me follow.
Madam police officer is okay. Police without gun. Babe, she'll go with us. Baby.
What is it about this woman? What?
Can I just explain to you?
Explain what is it about this woman? Security is it? I be security personnel.
Please. Can you hear me out?
Don't you dare talk to me. Tell her how to leave.
I will, but first hear me out.
I do not want to listen to anything. Tell her to go.
You can actually sit with us, okay? While we're waiting for the waiter to come.
It's not possible. Sit where?
Babe, I mean, there is nothing wrong if she stays here with us. She don't have to stand. Can you just have a seat?
I cannot sit on the same table with a PA.
Why?
I can't.
As you know, if you sit down for the same table with security person, what do you bring to the table?
Oh, please shut up. What do you bring to the table?
Security expertise and misery expertise now carry come to the table. So that you know we'll waste money anyhow. Yes.
You don't even know your job.
You know your job? No be food you don't come eat here. No matter how person talk or abuse you, the best come on leave food. You still order take away, carry go.
But I said
Are they okay? I know go sit down.
You think you have bad mouth? Yours is not close to mine.
Oh yeah now.
Just keep quiet,
please. Chop, maybe left na there.
Uncle, I'm really fed up with all of this nonsense. I'm fed up.
Can you just have a seat, please? Just sit there.
Like, what is this?
Vest stand up. Vest stand up. Say you need to eat again. Vest stand up.
Overlook her. Just overlook her. Then
overlook wait. No be easy sit down so they wait.
Sit down.
I talk on that time. They sit down. I won't stand. Thank you very much for the food and drinks, Oga.
You're welcome. Did you get the alert? I sent a token of 3 million to your account.
3 million?
Oh, yes.
You dash me, you send me a message.
No, I just gave it to you. Probably to take care of some things.
Oh, that's your plan. That's your plan, oh. Okay, you maintain your steez. Maybe I hold my composure because the way they move go now, your composure, I be na your steez. Now you won't begin to ruin my own composure. May everybody only steez. Every steez to himself.
There is nothing like plans here, okay? I just gave it to you.
I
Yeah.
don't like my face.
You're really funny, I must say. Just use it and take care of some things. Nothing much.
I know if you pay.
Pay what? I don't get it.
You just dash me.
Yes. Is that too much for you?
This money not the finish you.
Thank you, sir.
I got too much money to spend on my babe. Money na water. Eat them like a vegetable. Popping champagne. Spending money no dey tire. Money na water. Eat them like a vegetable. Popping champagne.
Dad?
Spending money no dey tire. 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 Money na water. Eat them like a vegetable.
Just when I thought that I've seen it all, here comes another one.
What happened?
Could you imagine? I went on a date with my man. And he asked his PA to sit on the same table with us. Can you imagine? That's a lie. I'm not lying to you. That's exactly what he did. The same table with us. At this point, you don't need a prophet to tell you that this guy has a soft spot for her. Exactly. And you need to act fast. Babe, you need to act fast. Because if you don't, that lady will take your millionaire boyfriend away from you in the name of PA. She has a point. I mean, look at it from this angle. This lady came into their house as a fake police officer. Fake! Then all of a sudden, she's now his PA. You really need to be careful, babes.
Spending money no dey tire. 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 Money na water. Eat them like a vegetable. Popping champagne. Spending money no dey tire. Money na water. Eat them like a vegetable. Popping champagne. Spending money no dey tire. 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 Spending money no dey tire.
Oga, I don't go check you for your room. I don't see you there. Now I find you rich here.
What is it?
Get here for like discuss with you. Now be what it is.
So what is that?
Now Batangela.
What about her?
Okay, you need to see and say that girl no like you. And your money na that girl day after. That girl no send you. They clear. They clear.
Why did you say so?
You know they see her. It dey very clear say that girl no like you. If you turn to food now, she go chop you. Now money she dey find.
Well, that is what it may look like. But to me, that girl is in love with me. I can see it in her action.
He no love you. Chris person dey gree saying dey Chris. You supposed to find way. You be like person wey get steez and composure. You know that's how use your steez and your composure. Take find that way your own composure. They bend go. You say trap for am so that you go know whether na money she dey come for. I be that you she like. You no understand? Eh? Because,
trap?
Yes.
So how do you want to go about the trap?
See, you just pretend. I see everything don't spoil. Money no dey again. That kind girl. 1 week she go leave you. Only you and your dada and your money na go remain. Just pretend like see nothing dey. May you watch that girl. What do you mean 1 week? 1 week. She don't leave you. So you go dey sure say she love me or she no love me or may you know where this your leg stand. So if you compose yourself well.
Okay, we'll give it a try.
We'll give him a try.
Yes, we will. You get sense?
Which one be say I get sense? I say, now you get sense when you talk now, it sound more like say I no get sense. Why you do like that?
Well, I'm only appreciating you for giving me that idea, so that's why I say you get sense. I be no get.
Michael, what are you talking about? I don't understand anything.
So you didn't just understand all that I explained to you?
No, I don't. Make it clear.
The conclusion of the whole matter right now is I am broke.
Are you serious? How is that possible?
I invested all my money into forestry and it got crushed. As we speak now, all my money is gone.
But you can always, you can always ask Chief for money if you need it.
My father?
Yes.
You actually don't know my father. He's the last person that I can talk to about money right now. Did you forget that he had to assign a fake female police officer to monitor my spending? Did you?
So, what are we going to do right now?
I am as confused as anything you can ever think of. I actually don't know what to do.
You are confused?
Yes. I am.
I'm out of here.
Baby. Babe. Babe. Are you walking out on me like that? Babe.
I need to come from Hafa. How you go?
Rachel, you needed to see the shock on her face when I told her that I don't have a farthing in my account. The disappointment was something else.
I not tell you. I not tell you. At least now you don't agree with me. Say that your money that girl define. I tell you.
I'm beginning to feel that girl will not stand with me.
You no go stand. That kind of girl. I want to tell her say you no get money now. She no get time to help you dey roll your dada. She go leave you go follow the next person who get money.
Hi. I wish she would not. I just wish she could just be with me. I mean,
if she come say she no go stay, you force her. You know if you force her now, you leave her make it go.
Then I'll just move on and believe that every woman, all the women are the same. In fact, including you.
That won't concern you. Now advice now I give you, and the advice work. So if now this one now you won't come talk about all the old women, it concern you. I don't want to tell you before, say that girl, your money should they pursue. The best? My verse say they abuse women. I be women.
You can't believe what he said to me.
What did he say?
He said he's broke. All his money gone.
Oh my goodness! But that's not enough reason for you to be worried though.
How do you mean?
Jump the boat, girlfriend. I mean, there are so many men out there who are willing to spend heavily on you. Just move on with one.
And if he finds out?
Then let him find out. All his money is gone. It's finished. And you cannot remain in a relationship with a broke guy.
My point exactly. I mean, we can't date a man who can provide our needs.
No way. Never. Ever.
Angela. So how far with Angela?
Fine. She calls me almost 5 times in a day just to check up on me.
It's a lie.
Do I have any reason to lie to you? I'm not lying.
Okay.
Even last night, I got 100,000 naira from her just for my weekly upkeep.
You say?
You had me well. So, when are we going to stop the game? Because from every indication, it appears that that girl can actually stay with me without money. She's a good girl.
Every family for this Nigeria, Chris person did there. One person must be Chris. No conclude like that. Still give her time. Maintain your steez. Make she maintain her composure. Give her time. Now only time before Chris person go manifest. What if she dey think say you still dey lie to her? You know if you tell.
I don't think so. But if you say so, no problem. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes then.
Let's see how it goes then. And the spirit be that.
Yeah.
Yes. I catch her. You must look. You must look. That's when they hear about. I see the scene.
Obidati. I say a guy like you, this one not let us see you.
Angela de Colo. Something is definitely wrong with that girl. But seriously, I still can't believe that she transferred 100K to Michael. Now that one they vex me pass. Like, why would she even do that?
Well, let's say she's in love. You know, say, 2 people where they see each other nakedness, they know they put mouth for them.
Which kind of yeye love be that one? Nonsense love.
Abby, calm down.
Don't touch me.
Now your money. Now your money. Calm down. It's okay, I understand. Yes.
If you say so.
All the while he's spending on her uncle. Hey, he has problem. Let her just be there for him.
Is now in charge, an officer of the law. Cooperate with him, not be joke. You must obey. You must blend it, cause any former lose God. Be a go change. She is ready for you.
My angel, how are you?
I'm doing good, handsome. Who they call handsome? When they call her handsome, I beg. What thing they make man handsome? Now man will get money. This person where is always standing now. Now let dada, as more composure you get. You not even get steez. If none be you, just stroke come on your now, man, you no waste your time.
Well, I wouldn't go anywhere.
Huh?
Baby, I brought these things to sell. Everything here is worth more than 20 million naira. I want to sell them and give you the money to set up a business.
You can't do that, baby. Why would you sell your stuff?
Well, I'm at the verge of doing it. I already contacted the buyer. She's on her way.
And what would you be wearing if you sell off this stuff?
Don't worry, my love. I have more at home. Besides, you bought all of these things for me. And if you sell these ones and they are not enough, I will sell more and give you money. Okay?
Just kiss her, more rest.
It's a lie.
I'm not be lie you. The girl, in fact, as I talk to you so, she dey inside the compound with the person who won't buy the goods.
Wow. Michael, that girl is a very special breed.
Oh, yeah.
I want you to bring her into the family.
I will, Dad.
Yeah. In fact, you have to go right now. Go and get her. I like that girl.
That's how I get it.
That girl is bring her in.
Okay.
I need such girl. Wow. What a girl.
They have qualities. But they're quite expensive. I'll pay 10 million.
Eh? 10 million for all of these things. Ha. It's not nice now. Everything here is worth more than 25 million naira. I just want to give it to you 20 million naira because I need money.
The least I can pay is 15 million.
Oh no. 15 million naira is too small. Take a good look at these things. They are pure gold. Look at them. How can you price me 15 million naira? I can't sell them for 15 million. Just take 20 million naira. Let me close eyes and give you.
Alright. Got your number.
00 42 88 88 09 41. Yes, access.
The name I'm seeing here is Michael Uduka.
Yes. That's the name you transfer to.
There is no need for that transaction.
Wait, what's going on? Listen, you need money to stay afloat. And that's exactly what I'm doing. I already given her your account number. She will send to you.
Yeah.
You don't have to do that, baby.
Why?
You have proven to me that you're not just a lady, but you're a worthy one.
Over worthy.
You are amazing.
Over amazing.
You are good.
Oh, over good.
It was all a game. It was all prank.
Only a 9 plan, I no follow for that one. Let me have you do.
What are you saying?
You heard me well, baby. You've actually proven to me that you love me. You can be with me even without money.
It was a prank?
Yes.
Why? How could you do a thing like this? You think I don't love you? Why would you do this?
Babe, it was all good that you've proven to me that you love me. You are different from all the rest of the girls I have seen.
Are you not selling again?
You say I love them.
You don't push me. Do you know who I am?
You be the buyer.
Your kind is rare. You are just so amazing. Now that I'm convinced who you are, I love you so much.
Michael, listen. I need you to know that I love you. And I will continue to love you forever.
You love her.
I love you too, baby. You mean the world to
Get
me.
mouth. Leave your head. Go in mouth.
I love you so much. You're a rare gem, baby.
Don't do this again, please.
Leave him back. May you go the mouth. You know be Jew man. Go in mouth.
Things you don't change, no more reckless spending. BA is now in charge, an officer of the law. Cooperate with him, no be joke. Oh. You must obey, you must be lending, cause any former lose God, BA go change. She is ready for you. You must obey, you must obey, you must be lending, cause any former lose God, BA go change for you. Respect yourself. You must obey, you must be lending, cause any former lose God, BA go change for you.